Look at this skin. Red, angry, burning. Now look at this. Calm, cool, soothed. Same person, same day. One $4 mixture made the difference, not a $50 pharmacy cream, not a fancy spray. $4. Today I'm showing you the exact sunburn and heat rash remedy that works better than most store creams. Before we start, a quick safety note. This video is for general skin comfort only. It is not a substitute for medical advice. If a burn is severe, blistering, or infected, please see a doctor. Also, always do a small patch test first. We'll cover that properly later in this video. Please watch the whole video before you try anything. Skipping steps is how people get it wrong. And if you care about natural, low-cost home remedies that actually work, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get into it. Summer feels amazing until your skin pays the price. Sunburn happens when UV rays damage the outer layers of your skin. Your body reacts with inflammation. That's the redness. That's the heat. That's the pain. Heat rash is different, but just as annoying. It happens when sweat gets trapped under your skin. Your pores get blocked. You get those small, itchy bumps. Both problems come from the same summer culprit, heat. Now here's the issue with most store creams. Many are packed with alcohol. Some have artificial fragrance. Others use harsh chemicals that actually dry out already damaged skin. They numb the pain for a moment, but they don't always help your skin heal faster. That's where this remedy comes in. Simple, natural, cheap, and surprisingly effective. Let's talk ingredients. Total cost, under $4. First, plain rolled oats, about half a cup, roughly $1 from any grocery store. Second, baking soda, 2 tablespoons, about 50 cents. You probably already have this in your kitchen. Third, cool water, free, straight from your tap. Fourth, a clean cloth or soft cotton pad, also something you likely already own. That's it. 4 ingredients, $4. No mechanic needed, no fancy lab equipment needed, just your kitchen. Let's slow down for a second. Why does this actually work? Oats contain natural compounds that calm irritated skin. They form a light protective layer. That layer locks in moisture. It also reduces that itchy, prickly feeling from heat rash. Baking soda has a gentle alkaline nature. It helps balance skin pH. It can reduce that stinging, burning sensation on sunburned skin. Cool water does something simple but powerful. It constricts blood vessels near the surface of your skin. That means less swelling, less heat, less redness. Put all 3 together. You get cooling, you get calming. You get comfort. That's the real formula here. Not magic, just simple biology working in your favor. All right, let's mix this up together. Step 1, grind your half cup of oats into a fine powder. A blender or food processor works perfectly. You want it almost flour-like. Step 2, add your 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the ground oats. Mix them together in a small bowl. Step 3, slowly add cool water, just a little at a time. Stir as you go. You're aiming for a smooth, thick paste, not runny, not too dry. Think of the texture like a soft, spreadable lotion. Step 4, let the paste sit for 2 to 3 minutes. This lets the oats fully release their soothing compounds. Step 5, take your clean cloth or cotton pad. Gently apply a thin layer of the paste directly onto the affected skin. Sunburned areas, heat rash patches, anywhere that's red, warm, or irritated. Step 6, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Let it work. Let it cool the skin naturally. Step 7, rinse off gently with cool, not cold, water. Pat the skin dry. Do not rub. Rubbing irritated skin only makes it worse. That's the entire process. 5 simple steps. 10 minutes of prep, 15 minutes of relief. Now here's the part you've been waiting for, the results. Right after rinsing, the skin already looks calmer, less shiny, less inflamed. The deep red tone starts to soften into a lighter pink. Within a few hours, most people notice the burning sensation has dropped significantly. Heat, rash bumps appear smaller and less irritated. The itching that made you want to scratch all day, noticeably reduced. Compare that to some store creams that just sit on top of the skin. This remedy actually works with your skin's natural cooling response. That's the real difference. Cheaper, simpler, and in many cases, more comfortable. Before you rush off to try this, a few important reminders. Always do a patch test first. Apply a small amount on your inner arm. Wait 24 hours. If there's no redness, itching, or irritation, you're good to go. Avoid using this on open wounds, blisters, or broken skin. If your sunburn is severe or you feel dizzy, nauseous, or feverish, stop home treatments and seek medical care immediately. For extra soothing, keep the paste in the fridge for 10 minutes before applying. The added coolness feels incredible on hot, irritated skin. Stay hydrated throughout the day too. Water helps your skin heal from the inside out. And, of course, prevention matters just as much as treatment. Sunscreen, loose, breathable clothing, shade during peak sun hours. These simple habits reduce how often you'll even need this remedy. So there you have it, a $4 natural remedy that soothes sunburn and heat rash better than many store creams. No harsh chemicals, no expensive pharmacy trip, just simple kitchen ingredients working together the smart way. If this helped you, give this video a like right now. Drop a comment and let me know if you're going to try it this summer. Subscribe to the channel if you want more natural, low-cost remedies like this one. And hit that notification bell so you never miss the next video. Coming up next, I'm revealing another surprising kitchen remedy that could save you even more money this summer. You do not want to miss it. Stay cool, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.